Welcome back. I'm here with the CEO of MachineSense, Conrad Bessemer. And Conrad, there's a lot of new products up on this video wall talking about preventative maintenance. And there's things including compressors, HVACs, chillers. Why don't you tell us about what the entire system is, the MachineSense process here?
Our focus at MachineSense is to bring preventative maintenance and sensors to today's factory. At this show, you're seeing a lot of talk about Industry 4.0 on new equipment, but the fact of the matter is most factories are not going to have that new equipment for years and years. So at MachineSense, what we're trying to do is focus on how we can put sensors on today's equipment today. In that way, we can make reasonably dumb equipment much smarter and give you the benefits of preventative maintenance systems. Some of that includes the things that you're seeing up here. We have dashboards for different products. We talk about HVAC, we talk about compressors, we can put sensors on your rotational equipment, gearboxes, as well as monitoring the power and harmonics in a plant. Truly, MachineSense takes today's machinery and makes it Industry 4.0 compatible right now.
That's great. And on that topic, there's been a lot of buzz at the show about some recent press announcements from Siemens and Microsoft regarding MachineSense. Why don't you address that, if you would?
We've been fortunate enough to be associated with Microsoft. Microsoft recently announced that we are one of the top 12 startup ventures in the world for this type of product. There are only 2 that were named from the United States. So we're partnering with Microsoft. Microsoft plans to invest $500 million in this space in the next 2 years, and we're pleased to be part of that program. In addition, we just received a notification of a partnership with Siemens as well, and we're part of the Siemens MindSphere platform, where you will be able to go on the Siemens MindSphere platform and download our apps for power quality.
Conrad, that's great news. If you need any more information on MachineSense, go to www.machinesense.com. And Conrad, thank you very much for your time.